In this lesson, I am going to show you how to add blur in Premiere Pro. To do that, you're going to head over to Effects and search for blur. When you do that, you're going to see different types of blur right here within Effects. The first one, we have the camera blur, we have directional blur, and then we have the Gaussian blur. The camera blur is just basically blur. When you head over to Effects, you can basically increase the percentage of the blur. It is just a basic blur. With the directional blur, you can change the direction of the blur and also increase the length of the blur. You see, as I play with these direction values, it has an effect on the blur right here in the preview section. And then you have Gaussian blur, which is the most used. Right here within Effect Controls, you can increase the blurriness by changing the blurriness value. And also you can change the blur dimensions. You have horizontal, vertical. You can go horizontal and vertical. With each of these blur, you can also create a mask. For example, right here, I have the ellipse mask, I have the rectangular mask, and I have the free draw bezier. I have a video tutorial on how to mask right here in this channel. You can click on the link up here or down in the description. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and also do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.